Hi everyone, my name is Melina Angeli. I'm the social media director of Business and Beauty Club, and I just wanted to give an overview of what we do. Our mission is to bring together students from all majors and explore the beauty industry, from skincare and makeup to brand building and entrepreneurship. Through workshops, speaker events, and collaborative activities, we help members build skills, networks, and confidence. Our mission is to foster creativity, informed conversation, and professional growth in an inclusive community. A little bit about what we do is that we have guest speakers come to our meetings, such as L'Oreal, beauty entrepreneurs, and other well known beauty brands. To add on, these professionals have also provided hands on workshops to really engage our members and expand our learning growth potential. Lastly, we always provide fun activities such as Shark Tank simulation to prepare members for business in the beauty industry with skills like creative brainstorming, pitching ideas, and working in teams. The benefits of joining our club is that we have professional networking and it's great for resume building and future career opportunities. We also always do skill building workshops in every meeting. And later this semester, there will be food, and we will also have some samples. Some previous examples of the samples we've gotten is from Good Molecules, Bubble Skincare, and Avatara Skincare. And of course, Business of Beauty is a great club to get to know other people. Scan this QR code if you are interested in joining. Thank you so much. Bye.